Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the host. Check Windows 1122H2 or newer and at least 8 GB RAM so virtualization is stable. Enable Hyper-V or Virtual Machine Platform and turn Windows features on or off. This gives you the hypervisor layer required. Once done, install the WSL2 kernel update and set WSL default to version 2 so containerized environments run correctly. Make sure secure boot and virtualization are enabled in BIOS. These unlock the performance and compatibility you need to run iOS environments. Next, you install the emulator and runtime components that let iOS apps run on Windows. Choose a maintained iOS simulator/emulator and follow its installer. Install Docker or the provided container runtime for isolation, and update GPU drivers to support graphics acceleration. Then, configure the emulator's device profile, allocate sufficient CPU and RAM, and enable file sharing or network bridging so apps can access files and the internet. Once configured, start the runtime and confirm the virtual device boots to the iOS license. Finally, you deploy iOS apps by sideloading IPA files or using development tools like Xcode alternatives that support remote installs. Follow the emulator's signing and provisioning steps so the app can run. Enable verbose logging and remote debugging to trace issues and adjust CPU, RAM, or GPU allocation if the app is sluggish. If something breaks, update GPU and virtual drivers, increase memory or disk image size, or temporarily toggle Hyper-V/WSL settings. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves boot and compatibility failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.